Would you let a doctor inject gold into your eye? It sounds wild, right? But injecting tiny gold particles into the eye might actually save your sight in the future. Researchers are exploring this idea as a way to preserve vision for millions of people. Gold injections in the eye, crazy as it sounds, could be the next big thing in preventing blindness. What problem are we trying to solve with gold injections? It's a common eye disease called age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. AMD is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. It affects millions of people worldwide. It damages a tiny but crucial part of the eye called the macula, which is at the center of the retina, the back of your eye. When the macula deteriorates, you lose clear central vision. Things right in front of you start to look blurry or have a dark blank spot. While there are treatments that can slow down AMD, they can't restore the vision you've already lost. In other words, once those eye cells are damaged, we currently have no way to bring your sharp sight back. Now, here comes the fascinating part, the solution that involves gold. Researchers at Brown University in the US have developed an experimental treatment using tiny gold nanoparticles to act like artificial photoreceptors known as the light-sensing cells. So, how does it work? They start with incredibly small gold particles. Each one is thousands of times thinner than a single human hair. These gold nanoparticles are coated with special antibodies that make them latch onto specific cells in the retina. Once prepared, a doctor injects millions of these microscopic gold particles into the eye, specifically into the vitreous humor. That's the jelly-like fluid filling just in front of the retina. Next comes the infrared light. After the injection, the patient would wear a special device that shines a gentle infrared laser into the eye. Infrared light is invisible and safe at low power. It's the same kind of light used in your TV remote, but here it's being used in a therapeutic way. When the infrared laser hits those gold nanoparticles in the eye, it excites them. Basically, it makes them heat up or energize slightly, which in turn stimulates the nearby retinal cells. In effect, the gold particles plus laser light are mimicking the function of healthy photoreceptor cells, bypassing the ones that were damaged by AMD. It's like the gold particles are tiny spark plugs that fire off signals to the brain when activated by the laser, telling the brain, hey, there's light here. So here is the important part. Scientists are testing the gold nanoparticle treatment on mice with damaged eyes, and it worked. The mice regained some vision with no major side effects. But it'll take years of research before this reaches humans. That's all for today.